anyone can answer. So we have already posted these questions in the forum also on the Poison Club. So these are the puzzles for learning myself, the toxic riddles on marine envenomation. So this was a question which was asked, who is warning us in human skulls and crossbone sign labeled for hazardous material? So this is the question which is still unanswered. Can anyone guess? This is the danger sign. You see, in most of the hazardous material, it is either it is high voltage electric current, or when you are going to the beach area, or if you're going, if it is a high height is there, and also it is a warning sign is applied.
That is the skull between two femurs, two bones.
Yes, sir. What does it mean in today's presentation? Why we are discussing about this? Any guess?
Maybe because all these jellyfish are also fatal and dangerous to the life, so
Yes.
that can be put over there.
Yes, sir. Rightly said, sir. Very rightly said. So I will try to explain it by the a hypothesis sort of thing, that how it evolved, the sign evolved. This is the treatise of toxicology we read by Dr. V.V. Pillai, sir, in which he has highlighted on this, and he has the book cover shows it, the same sign, highlights to warn for the hazardous toxins, the venoms, the poisons, and the drugs. So they are already marked by the sign, but the nature has used this sign for highlighting us. That is when we compare the analogy to kill, the warning sign by the nature. So this is a 4 tentacle hangs out of the head, similar to the 4 bone ends, that is the 2 crossbones of the femur. They hand it like this. So this is something which is from the scientific literature, but we have correlated it. When we see the evolution of the box jellyfish, when it becomes venomous, when it goes into the life cycle of 4 tentacle medusa stage, then it becomes venomous to kill. And when it kills, it can turn the person or the victim into the bone and the skull, because it is so fatal. It will not give some time to survive, and the person can die. So this is, you can see, they eat themselves just like the cannibals. It is the 4 tentacle medusa. Can you see this? The appearance that is similar to what the danger sign of a skull. This is an evolutionary stage we were discussing, and this is the picture of the jellyfish. You can see the comparison of it is.
Very nice, very nice. Excellent. Now the question has been answered rightly.
So you can see the skull sign, and with this 4 tentacle sign, so that is the appearance of the box jellyfish, which looks like a human skull, and it is like the lower jaw is moving down, just like we read, we see in the comical part, or sometimes even the movies in which they are shown that the skull is moving with the jaw. Similar appearance of this video, because what we saw virtually were the photographs, but when we see the real picture, it creates a mystery, terror, and that's why we put this question. So, are able to understand everyone? We can proceed to the next session.
Slide का ये इसको भी थोड़ा सा.
This is a skull X-ray.
Now that it is clear.
Because the box jelly resembles the human skull, it's the X-ray, and this has been 4 corners of the bell, tails to the cluster of the tentacles. This is the sea wasp or the box jellyfish, the appearance, which is in hold. It is dangerous to hold it with the hands. It should be with the gloves. But this is the photography found on net, just a comparison. And this is one of the appearance of the photograph. You can see, although this is a foreign body, but this appears that 24 eyes all around the box of the box jellyfish, and it gives a 24 eyes gives a panoramic view to the box jellyfish to save itself from its predators. And that is the appearance we were able to understand, that the human skull and bone as a sign of warning and danger is seen on the fatal poisons. It is similar to what to be labeled so that everything which is sold commercially around the world, keep them safe away from the kids. Now coming
That's right.
to this Halloween part, what do you see in this? This is also a warning skull. Can you appreciate what it is?
Yeah. The moon and two, what do you call
Mushrooms.
them?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Three mushrooms. Two
Three mushrooms.
projecting as eyes and one as a nose.
Yes. So it is another coincidence of a photograph taken from a hole with the moon on the background, and it looks like a skull. It is also one of the poisonous mushrooms which we will come in our future sessions. And just a comparison on the Halloween appearance.
Looks like he's got a fracture of the maxilla also.
Rightly so, sir.
Not the fracture, in fact, it is the joint in between, which is slightly widened. Right and
भैया
left.
मीटोपिक सुचर कहाँ गया भाई?
Yes, sir. That is not visible.
Yeah, good.
Now coming to a riddle which is described as marine surfing is always the global fun, feeling the cool breezes and tanning in sun. But there is a fatal killer, spoil your fun. Looks like a floating jelly, on touch, do stun. And it's the deadliest, ranked as number one. There is the specific antidote to undone. Its stinging kills and you can't swim or run. What is the answer of this riddle in rhymes?
I think it's vinegar, right?
Vinegar is the first aid for this, man.
Hmm.
But what is,
Antidote.
Anti-venom.
Anti-venom.
but what is the culprit? Who is the culprit here? Because it is
Jellyfish.
spoiling the global fun of marine surfing.
Yes, jellyfish.
Jellyfish, of course.
Jellyfish.
Yes, rightly guessed. So it is the
Some of
box
the
jellyfish.
jellyfish, they also emit light, no? Luminescent jellyfish.
Yes, it glows. It glows in the dark, and
Glows
it is
in the-
ranked as number one. This is the appearance of what we discussed today.
Yes, all.
Now coming to another riddle in rhymes. I am 99% water to contain. Heroes next. Hugo Fleckers went. Toxic sting, box to raid and rain. Tentacles, blind, lace to rend. Killer's jelly, parasite zest. Assaults his sir and kills by name. Wounds the hero's aged waist. Sea was through boiling veins. Nematocyst glowing poison roll. Portuguese man dies with a dire pain. War expels the lingering soul. Thus inhibited by vinegar remain. In sea bread allergic venom found. Whipped from iron, fire failed. Dart received his mortal wound. This is a riddle in
These
nine.
are also jellyfish.
Portuguese man of war?
Yes, sir. It is a Portuguese
Jellyfish
man of war.
stings,
It is the jelly sting, which is Portuguese man of war.
Yes.
So this is one of the appearance. This has been described in Harrison's principle of internal medicine. So what it is? Patient is on ventilator. You can see intubated. Riot tube inside. Patient is unconscious, and there is
These are all jellyfish stings.
rightly said, sir. These are the sting pattern typical of the whiplash injury caused by the
Jellyfish.
Chironix flexori. Now, another question. Do you know how to incriminate the murderer's hands to identify killing any victim venomously? Any answer to this?
Hmm.
Dr. George Pal.
It looks like fingers.
Yes. So let me show you a photograph.
फोटो तो दिखाओ ना मुझे.
Is it visible, sir?
Yeah. Very nice.
It is a nickname of a jellyfish.
Mother friend. Yes.
It is just looks like the murder's hand. You can see the tentacles, 4 tentacles. They are just like the hands of pressing while throttling.
More like a box jellyfish.
Rightly said, sir. It is Cubozoa box jellyfish. The body and tentacles looks like fingers and hands of the murderer throttling to kill by pressing the neck. The box jellyfish, Chironex flexeri, the name is described by Dr. Priyamada. Chiro means hand, Latin nex means murderer, therefore the assassin's hand. And flexeri in honor to his discoverer named after the North Queensland toxicologist and radiologist Dr. Hugo Flecker. It has been described as the most lethal jellyfish in the world.
Yes, Dr. Hugo Flecker.
So coming to the next question, what is the medical relevance of these injuries?
Whiplash injuries like a
Yes.
whip or by flexible object.
Yes, sir.
Injuries caused by a flexible, because they all encircle the contour of the body.
I suppose the only difference is that you get crisscross marks in this.
Yes.
So unless you have a cat o' nine tails kind of end of the whip, you will not get the crisscross. You'll just get linear straight marks.
They resemble. They are not caused by whip. They are jellyfish injuries.
No, true, but you say it looks like the.
No.
So there are differences. Yeah.
Okay, my take was that whiplash or caused by a flexible object, they encircle the contour of the body, right? But
Yeah. So
that was
flexible.
my
But sir, if you finally examine with the lens,
yes, you can find
magnify
a
it, then we will things will be clear.
Correct.
Yes,
Because the chemical injury caused by some chemical or allergen, they have a typical appearance rather than the blunt force trauma.
Rightly said, sir.
because what happens when tentacle strike the body, they may even fold there around themselves and may produce injuries like this. While we will encircle all around in one go, that will not be folded at a particular or a short distance.
Yes.
Rightly observed, sir.
Okay.
So we will add more to this on the crime scene investigation. There is one on-spot diagnosis for point of care by portable microscope connected with a laptop or mobile. Now it is easily available. I have bought it myself. It is a portable microscope which can magnify 500 times. And it can be
Made in China, very cheap.
Very cheap. So how it is helpful in this scenario of if the person has come with an injuries just like the whiplash injuries, how this microscope can help. It is a magnification just 500 times.
Yes. Very nice. Is it connected to the your laptop or any mobile? It is.
Yeah, you can connect it to the mobile
And
also.
just focus the injured part.
Yes, you can see the pneumocytes and
This is the appearance you can see. Nidoblast. It can be seen. It can be seen under just putting the washed surface of the stinged area, and if we keep it under the lens of this microscope and connect it to our mobile, we can on spot on the crime scene identify this as it is not a physical assault, but it is a case of injury by a jelly stick.
Yes.
Vivekanshi, if I may go back to something,
Yes, sir.
you know the way whiplash is written. If you put whip and lash together, it is the whiplash from being rear-ended in a car.
Yes, sir.
If you put whip and lash separate, lash means to strike.
Yes.
So lashing by a whip is different from whiplash. So
Right.
it should be written separate, not one word.
Rightly said, sir.
Okay.
That is a postmortem of the word. Rightly said.
That
नहीं
will
यार,
appeal in the
moment,
courts.
no, the moment I
एक
saw that
आंसू
word, I
बताया
said
था
there's
मैंने.
something wrong. The moment I saw the word, I
नहीं,
felt
नहीं.
there's something wrong with this. क्योंकि
Okay.
ये और
forensic
whiplash
person-
में
Okay, doctor, I can understand, but
Sir, the forensic person must choose the words right, proper, with the legal meaning, with the dictionary meaning. Particularly in today's scenario, when the
no,
person
if
says
you
just
go
to the
into the
internet.
detail again, the same I can explain. So we don't want to go into this controversy that we can discuss in person. Okay, next.
Yes, sir. These are the things we have actually kept deliberately, sir, so that the expert speakers can find something to find that this is something which needs to be updated. Like we kept status lymphaticus. It was a term we actually deliberately kept because we were knowing it is an obsolete term, but it has been published. We thought that let's keep it and let the experts from the panelist, they can catch it. This is something which is not practiced now, which is obsolete. Similarly, the whiplash word, it has
Okay,
two meanings.
okay, Dr. Pal, you can call it lashing with the whip.
Yes.
no, whiplash is
Okay.
correct, but separate the written word. The written
Yeah,
word is not one
yeah.
word. That's my
Okay,
point. It's correct.
lashing with the whip will explain these injuries. Whiplash, you mean you are referring
MVA, motor vehicle
basically to the
accident.
spinal injury.
Yeah, that's right.
Which is yes. Okay. Next.
Coming to the next question. Should you apply vinegar to all the jellyfish stings? Is it the empirical treatment, or there is something, an exception is there? Because that has been highlighted by Dr. Chidrupi and Dr. Priyamvada. But let's see if the participant is focused on this or not.
If available of vinegar, no?
Blue bottle stains.
Yes, rightly said. The dubious role of vinegar in the blue bottle sting. Vinegar works by inhibiting the stinging cell discharge. However, vinegar should not be applied to a blue bottle sting as it can actually stimulate the discharge and cause further pain. If stung by the blue bottle, you should rinse well with seawater to remove the microscopic stinging cells and use hot water or ice for the pain. The Royal Australian College of General Practitioners and the Australian Resuscitation Council both recommended this as being the most appropriate treatment for blue bottle stings. Additionally, you should never substitute vinegar with methylated spirits or alcohol, as this may make the stung worse. Coming to the next question, it is a flow chart. Hope it is visible. This is the last question, and it is on the toxidromal approach. If a person comes in agitated state, delirium, seizure with hallucinations, the heart rate, BP, respiratory rate, temperature, everything is going up, even the size of the pupil is increasing, dilated pupils, you suspect it is a sympathomimetic toxidrome. And the person comes, the first option is, you can see the red dash, the suspected is a crawler animal sting, and it causes priapism and tachyarrhythmia. What it can be? Second option is a hanging animal bites and it causes cramps and convulsions. The third option is a flying animal. It injures and it causes priapism and convulsions. And in fourth is
Three Spanish fly.
rightly said, sir.
2 crabs.
Fourth is a sting of injuries like a whiplash lash.
Which is of course jellyfish.
Yes, rightly said, sir. So they are all sympathomimetic toxidrome which are caused. What is the first and second?
No idea. एक तो दिख भी नहीं रहा है.
Yes, sir. That is the topic of our next session. That is the scorpion. The first answer is the crawler animal sting. That is a scorpion sting. It causes priapism and tachyarrhythmias. The Indian scorpion sting. And the second one is the
Priapism.
animal,
Mhm.
hanging animal is the spider,
Yeah.
like we do, that causes cramps and convulsions.
Hmm.
And these are the second slide is the drowsy, dull, and comatose patient, which is just the opposite, in which the heart rate, BP, respiratory temperature, everything going down, even the size of the people is going down, and you are suspecting as a sympatholytic toxidrome, and it is vasculotoxic, causing consumptive coagulopathy, and the limb is very swollen limb with cellulitis and necrosis. What it can be?
Viper.
Yes, rightly said. It is Viper. And coming to the sixth option, that is, it is a post-synaptic toxin. It causes coma and it responds to neostigmine plus atropine, the NA test.
The other elapids, except crate, I think.
Correct. Mhm.
It is except crate, sir. It is elapid, the cobras, except the crate.
Yes.
Now coming to
Yes.
the cholinergic phenomena, which is seen when the patient is having colicky abdominal pain with meiosis, muscle weakness, bronchoria, bradycardia, emesis, lacrimation, salivation, sweating. What it can be? Cholinergic toxidrome with patient coming. It is great.
Organophosphates.
It is great as well as the organophosphate, both the cholinergic
दोनों
phenomena.
comparison है. Hmm.
Yes.
DDA.
Rightly
Great,
said,
no?
sir. This is the slide of the answer. We have solved everything. So this closes our session for the question hour.